how to find following videos on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find following videos on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and then click live videos, and here you can find this one, following videos. Click on it and here you can find your following videos on Facebook Lite, and that's how to find following videos on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.